Would you believe me if I said this video only took me a few minutes to make? And what if I told you it started from a single static design? You're probably thinking, Charlie, stop lying. No complex animation software, no freelancer, and just me in a browser. The thing about motion design is most of us skip it because it's either too expensive, too time consuming, or we simply lack the ability to do it ourselves. So we're left having to hire someone to do it for us, which isn't cheap. Kittl just solved this for us with their all new Kittl video feature. And honestly, this might be the most practical AI tool I've tested in a long time. And I'm not saying that lightly. I'm going to start with one of Kittl's design templates. This is one of my favorite things about Kittl is their template library. They have a lot to choose from. So just have fun and take your time. And a pro tip for you guys, if you like any template, make sure you add a heart to it because this adds it to your likes library and you can go back to it later on and easily find it. I already found a template I like. So all I have to do is tweak things like color and the text and I'm good to go. And since it's Kittl, the design tools are easy to use. I'm dropping this new design into a template called Streetwear Brand Builder, which uses Kittl Flows. This is basically your entire production studio in one canvas, and the way it works is actually pretty genius. You've got three types of boards here. You have artboards, which is for your static designs and also provides context to the smartboards. And then two, you have smartboards. These are used to generate whatever you want. And in this case, we're using them for mockups. And three, you have your video boards, which create the animations. And the beautiful thing is they all connect to each other. Think of this whole canvas as your modular pipeline. Artboards feed into smartboards, smartboards feed into video boards. You are the director in this situation. So here's my t-shirt design artboard. You'll see a front and back already there. I'll replace the existing designs with my new designs. And now I'll click on each smartboard. And when I do that, you'll notice at the bottom a prompt appears. And that's the beautiful thing about working with Kittl Flow templates is you can see the prompts that are already built in for you. So you can learn from them. Prompting is the single most important thing when working with AI. Bad prompts equal bad results. Just remember that. Watch what happens when I click generate again. The smartboard takes whatever is connected to it and generates a new output. And just like that, we have an AI generated mockup with our new design. We can do this for all of the mockups and we can generate as many as we want. Check this out. This cap design artboard is connected to my t-shirt design mockup 3 smartboard. Essentially what we have here is t-shirt mockup 3 connected with cap edited to a brand new smartboard called cap mockup 2. So when you generate, you get the same exact model wearing both the cap and the t-shirt mockup. Now here's where it gets wild. See how the front and back t-shirt mockup frames are connected to the same start and end frames? Kittl Video uses these frames to generate the full animation between them. Think of it like filling in the missing pieces. So first I'll regenerate the start and end frames with my new design, obviously. And now when I go to regenerate that video, we're going to get a new output. Just moments ago, it was just a flat design. Now it's a video ready for socials, advertising, client presentations, whatever you want. If you're a freelance designer, a solo content creator, a small brand trying to compete with bigger budgets, this is kind of a game changer, right? And here's what I love so much. Every element in that flow is customizable. So you can change prompts, you can regenerate variations, test different concepts rapidly. It's like having a full production team that works at supersonic speed. Kittl's giving you guys 25% off using my code PANGAS at checkout. This works for any plan. If you guys want more information, it's in the description along with a link. What will you guys use Kittl Video for? I'm actually very curious. Let me know in the comments. Let's have a discussion. My name's Charlie Pangas. Good to see you guys again. I'll see you in the next video.